Make a great choice today with the 2014 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front passenger knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.